How is the young male doing, Doctor?
He is recovering well. The new feeding system is working perfectly.
The spleen looks clear on the sagittal view.
Noted. Lymph nodes are slightly reactive, otherwise healthy.
Keep the flow steady through this section. They are moving calmly now. We need to adjust the paddles, and the flow is uneven on this side.
All right, I'll slow it down slightly.
Look at the readout for the fat liquor absorption rate here.
It's holding steady at 95%. The calibration worked.
This feels much better. The machine is doing its job.
Yes, the consistency is exactly what we wanted.
We need to increase output on the blue jackets by 10%.
I understand. We'll adjust the line.